Welcome to From Drab to Fab, where we unleash creativity and transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. In this episode, we'll embark on a thrilling journey of turning a tiny, lackluster balcony into a serene garden haven. Get ready to witness the magic of nature as we demonstrate the art of small space gardening. Let's dive right in. The balcony makeover process. Step 1. Assessing the space. Before we begin our balcony makeover, it's essential to assess the available space and understand its limitations. The size, sunlight exposure, and structural aspects play a crucial role in determining the types of plants and design elements suitable for your balcony. Through careful planning and consideration, we can maximize the beauty of this small space. Step 2. Designing the layout. Now comes the exciting part, designing the layout. We'll utilize vertical space, hanging planters, and creative shelving solutions to make the most of every inch. Alongside lush greenery, we'll strategically incorporate seating, lighting, and decorative elements to create a harmonious atmosphere. Get ready to witness an inspiring visual feast of design ideas. Step 3. Choosing the perfect plants. The choice of plants is pivotal in creating a stunning balcony garden. We'll explore a range of plants suitable for small spaces, including exquisite flowers, fragrant herbs, and low-maintenance greens. We'll discuss their unique characteristics, required care, and how to arrange them for a visually pleasing effect. Let's bring life and vibrancy to this once drab balcony. Step 4. Adding cozy elements. A garden sanctuary is not complete without some cozy elements. We'll transform this balcony into a tranquil retreat by incorporating comfortable seating, soft cushions, and soothing fabrics. Discover how simple tweaks in decor can create a warm and inviting ambience. Join us as we turn this tiny balcony into a serene haven that'll make you want to spend every spare moment here. Step 5. Bringing life to the balcony. Finally, it's time to bring the balcony to life. With a splash of vibrant colors, cascading greenery, and carefully positioned decor, we'll witness how this transformation blooms into a breathtaking garden haven. Embrace the joy of nature right outside your door, and let the stresses of the day melt away in this serene sanctuary. We hope you've enjoyed this journey from drab to fab, witnessing the incredible transformation of this tiny balcony into a serene garden haven. Now, armed with inspiration and ideas, it's time for you to embark on your own small space gardening adventure. Remember, with a touch of creativity, even the tiniest outdoor areas can be transformed into something truly magical. Remember to add engaging visuals and captivating music throughout the video to complement the voiceover and showcase the stunning balcony garden transformation. Good luck with your video production.